Good morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
From Greece. This is actually the first day of our catamaran sailing trip around the Mediterranean that we're doing with MedSailors. We are so excited.
So excited. This is our lovely vessel here.
This is going to be our home for the next 7 days.
Yeah.
We came here early. We've arrived before anyone else so that we can go on and give you guys a little tour of this boat before we set sail.
Yeah, because until we stepped foot on board a catamaran, we had no idea exactly what it was or what it looked like. So it's pretty tiny, but surprisingly spacious on the inside.
All right, let's go take a look.
So, welcome aboard our catamaran. His name is Timur, and let's show you around. Outside, we have a big seating area, which I think is where we'll probably eat most days. And then if you come inside, we have the seating area and the kitchen in general, which when you are on board here, you get breakfast and lunch made for you each day, which is pretty amazing. I'm excited to see them work around. It's a pretty tight space, but from what I hear, the food's supposed to be really delicious.
This is very cool. This is gonna be like a cool little dinner hangout space. There's also, I see some booze over here as well.
And we also brought our own booze because they don't supply alcohol, but you can bring your own snacks and alcohol and beverages, whatever you want on board.
Which we did.
Yeah, we made sure to do that.
So if we head down this way, we're gonna see the bathroom and the shower, the toilet room and the shower, and then our bedroom. So this is the toilet room. Check out this toilet. It's so nautical. It's got this little lever and it's so tiny, but it'll get the job done. Good thing GoPros are resilient. We've also got a little shower room, which actually this has a surprising amount of space. This is not bad at all. I was expecting a lot smaller. I don't know what this button does, but maybe I shouldn't press it.
Yeah, maybe not yet.
I'm gonna get wet if I do. And this is our bedroom. It's a surprising amount of space considering we're on a tiny catamaran, but we've got like a full-size bed in here. Pretty good. We've got plenty of storage for our bags. We've actually already came on and kind of unloaded everything, but this is where we're going to be sleeping for the next week. So we've got a 220 volt outlet right here. That might be the only one that's in here. It's the only one that I see.
Maybe. I bet they have more upstairs.
Little light switch, like kind of the hallway light. Fan over here, which I'm not sure how to turn on.
It's okay.
Several hooks, one here, which will be great because you gotta save that space when you're in a tight space like this. It's basically like a capsule hotel.
It really is. It's a capsule hotel at sea.
We've also got whatever this is. Oh, I guess it's to cover this up. So you pin it right here. Oh, and you got curtains over there and there too.
Ooh. I think when we're out and about, I don't know that you can use the power outlets, but I think at night we can. And everything, I believe, runs off of solar, which is pretty cool. Also, no Wi-Fi on the boats, which will be a little tricky for us. We've been trying to edit a little in advance so that we...
And failing completely at that.
Yeah, we failed. We got like one video ahead, but we'll work on shore some days. There's like this cheeky little closet here, and then you have a little bit of storage space over there. This is literally all you have.
Yep, this is it.
As far as standing room. Got a little fan though, that's nice.
Yeah, and we have some windows. Window here, and a window here, which is sweet because we're gonna be able to look up and see some stars.
Yeah, and it'll maybe wake us up in the morning.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, one of the coolest things about a catamaran is where we're going right now. So you walk along the top of the ship, you try not to fall through any of these skylights, and then you get up here and check it out. You can like hang out on here and lay on it.
This is basically like a trampoline.
It is.
It's kind of
like
scary.
A trampoline for adults.
Excuse me, lassie. Would you mind pointing me to the poop deck? This more like it. Arr. It's the worst pirate impression ever.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm out of here.
Get back down there. So we're all checked in. The other guests hopped on right as we were hopping off, but we haven't eaten lunch yet. We don't get lunch today on the boat. So rumor is that there is a little grocery store nearby. So we're gonna stock up. We got the alcohol, maybe we'll get more snacks. I don't know, I'm just really hungry.
I think we're gonna get some meat, some cheese, some bread or something.
Make some little sandwiches. Oh yeah. Sir.
All right, we have a bag full of provisions.
Yeah.
We saw people drinking on the street, so we're just gonna assume that that's legal. So we got a couple beers for the walk back to the boat. But man, there are so many boats in this port, just as far as the eye can see.
Yeah, I think
they're all very nice.
With us, there's like 2 other catamarans and maybe 6 yachts or 5. I don't know.
There's like a group of 8 of them that are going out. So we might cross paths with some of the other boats, but they kind of keep different schedules, I think.
It should be pretty fun though. We might get to know some or make some friends on this thing.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
For some reason, they give you the thinnest board in history to walk on this boat. It's really scary. I mean, I'm getting the hang of it, but it's pretty scary.
Well, it wobbles too, and I don't like that another boat's rope is tied up underneath it.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yo, this place even has a legit refrigerator. Look at this.
This is like an ice chest, really.
Yeah.
Oh, and they have a little freezer box here.
Yeah.
It's small, but we could cram a couple beers up in there.
Yeah, but so this is, I guess, for all the week. I love that there's lots of green vegetables.
Yeah. We're getting a briefing on how to use the toilet properly.
It's best to do good 10, 15 pumps, all depends on
What's happening? Yeah, okay.
How many pumps?
10, 15.
Oh, really?
Because the more pumps you do, the better it is. Because if you think of the sort of pipe goes up to here and it goes back and out, so you
Just
don't
make
want
sure it all gets out of there.
The more pumps, the
Husband.
better. Once you've done the pumps.
We have officially set sail. We're on the open seas now.
It's
a little rocky.
Windy.
Not quite seasick yet, so we're good to go. We have plenty of Dramamine.
So fine. We're not going to get sick at all.
Yeah, one of our fellow sailors offered us her sea bands.
Yeah.
It's Amy and Samantha, right?
Amy, yes.
They're going to be sailing with us, so you're going to be seeing a lot of them. I think they're about to pop the sails up now. How you feeling?
You know, like, I can't see because there's a big sail in my face and I don't know what I'm doing, but it's okay.
We've got another turn on.
Let me do this.
You look like a natural kid. Ow! Oh man, I bashed my head, you guys. Dude, first casualty.
If there's anything to bash your head on, you're going to do it. I feel really good about this.
You look like you know what you're doing.
Do I? Because I have no idea. This thing does something. I'm supposed to be paying attention to that.
Well, it's at 16.8 right now, what are you saying?
That sounds like we're really on track, you guys. Like, I think we're going in the right direction.
As long as you don't hit any other boats, I
Basically,
think we're good.
I'm avoiding all the other ships.
When you're ready, the big radio, you got to say, shout, good shout out to the whole crew. Everyone knows. Big ready about.
Ready about?
Oh, the people at the front need to hear.
Ready about?
Ready?
Okay, and then what was the second one?
Leho.
Okay.
But when the wheel's hard over.
Okay, and
One sec.
Leho?
Yeah.
You guys got this?
We are dropping anchor. Right here.
It's happening. This is our spot.
We have dropped the anchor, y'all. We are just off the coast of Athens still.
Yeah, so quick update. It turns out it's gonna be super windy tonight, so we can't actually go to the first port we were supposed to. So we actually have to go right back to Athens.
Yeah.
But we came here to do a little swimming. Sadly, I got a little seasick. It's already a bit windy. And
this boat gets rocking.
Oh, it's
and
really
these
rocky.
are pretty tame waves. They're not that bad.
Yeah.
So if this is bad, then it might get worse. I don't know.
So I think we're lucky because we're on a catamaran, so it has 2 sides, so it stays a little more even in the water.
Yeah.
If we were on one of the other boats, it would rock a lot more. But it's still rocky.
But we got our Dramamine, got our ginger chews.
Yeah, hopefully that'll do it. We'll see. But I think we're about to turn around and go back to port. And then we're gonna go out for some delicious Greek food.
Oh yeah. You guys, they're having like a beach party. Sorry, it's very, very windy.
It's a punch party.
Yeah, I don't know what's in the punch, but it's real good.
Cheers, y'all.
But I think this is everyone who's going to be sailing on the different boats for the week.
Yeah, remember we told you it was gonna be really windy? It's happening right now. So, we're having our punch party and then we're going to dinner. Oh. No, give it, yeah, sorry. Oh.
We're going to snag a quick group photo with our sailing crew.
3, 2, 1.
Nailed it. We are back in our cabin. I'm feeling exhausted.
He was just asleep 1 second ago.
She said, we got to do the ending. So I woke up to do the ending. But I think it's partly the jet lag. It's just kind of hitting me. But,
yeah, it might be. Also, we were on the sun all day, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but like,
yeah,
oopsie.
oh yeah, that's looking pretty bad.
It's not good. And I was wearing a freaking crop top, so now I got like a freaking burn. Oh boy.
But we've got our little fan over here.
Yeah, we opened, we popped our little top.
Yeah, got this thing open. It's warm, but it's not too warm. I think we're gonna be all right.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think we're gonna hit the hay. We're gonna come at you with more epic views of the Mediterranean in our next video.
Yeah, hopefully this windstorm will get out of here, and then it'll be smooth sailing. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the high seas.
Woo!